I have this bird on a tree. It's not my bird. He's lost. It's a black homing pigeon, youngster, and he's lost. And so I have here Polvacera, which has got a feather in his eye. I got here Polvacera. Polvacera is mixed with the Spanish powder. And what I'm going to attempt to do is I'm going to let him go. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. And maybe that pigeon stop flying. Okay, see a pigeon right there? Let me see if I can do this. See it right there? It's a black homing pigeon. I'm gonna let Polvacera go now. She wants to go, she wants to go, she wants to go. Oh, yeah, she didn't go. Polvacera is flying. She wants to go. Yeah, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. At least she knows where there is pigeons. Where's Polvacera now? It's Polvacera. See, if she comes out, Polvacera will follow her and bring her to the loft and put him inside his box. Well, I can do my thing over there, but that pigeon's tired, man. So tired. There's Polvacera right there. I'm glad he's flying by here. Nope. She's tired. Very tired. Okay, I gotta go do my thing, man. I can't be here all day. If she wants to go down, she wants to come down, she'll come down. They're building this house here. It's a big house. My gosh. This is a huge house. Look at this. What is this, like a lanai or something? That's across the street from my house. This house right here is like probably $500,000 or more. I don't know, I haven't seen the value of this house yet, but probably like about the sixes, five something, six something. You know? Yeah, that one right there is 4. Come on, bird. Oh, well. All right. Polvacera went down already, I think. If she comes out and flies by my house, Polvacera will come out. Because I'm letting him loose the whole day. All right. That's about it, guys.